Introduction to wildlife habitats in garden design. Garden designers increasingly focus on incorporating wildlife habitats into their plans. By creating environments that support local fauna, they contribute to biodiversity and enhance the ecological value of gardens. Understanding local wildlife needs. Effective garden design starts with understanding the needs of local wildlife. Designers research native species and their requirements for food, shelter, and nesting. Tailoring garden features to these needs ensures that the habitat is both suitable and supportive for local fauna. Selecting native plants. Native plants are essential for attracting and sustaining wildlife. They provide food sources such as nectar, seeds, and berries, and offer shelter and nesting sites. Garden designers use a variety of native plants to create a diverse and balanced ecosystem that supports different species. Creating water features. Water features, such as ponds, bird baths, and small streams, are vital for wildlife. They provide drinking water, bathing areas, and habitats for amphibians and insects. Designers carefully integrate water elements into gardens, ensuring they are safe and accessible for wildlife while adding aesthetic appeal. Incorporating shelter and nesting sites. Providing shelter and nesting sites is crucial for wildlife. Garden designers include features such as birdhouses, bat boxes, and insect hotels to offer safe spaces for various species. These elements help support local bird, bat, and insect populations. Designing for pollinators. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are essential for garden health and biodiversity. Designers create habitats with a range of flowering plants that bloom at different times of the year to provide continuous food sources for pollinators. Implementing sustainable practices. Sustainable gardening practices benefit wildlife by reducing chemical use and promoting natural processes. Designers incorporate composting, organic fertilizers, and pest control methods that are gentle on the environment, ensuring a healthier habitat for wildlife. Adding natural structures. Natural structures such as log piles, rockeries, and native shrubs provide essential habitat features. These elements offer hiding spots, breeding grounds, and hunting areas for various species, enhancing the garden's ecological value. Creating wildlife corridors. Wildlife corridors connect different habitats and allow animals to move between them. Garden designers can incorporate these corridors by linking gardens with green spaces, parks, and other natural areas, facilitating safe passage for wildlife. Educating and engaging the community. Designing gardens with wildlife habitats also serves an educational purpose. Garden designers often provide information on how these habitats support local wildlife and encourage community involvement in conservation efforts. Conclusion: enhancing biodiversity through design. Incorporating wildlife habitats into garden design enriches the garden's ecological value and supports local biodiversity. By understanding wildlife needs, using native plants, creating water features, and implementing sustainable practices, garden designers create environments that benefit both people and wildlife. These thoughtful designs contribute to healthier ecosystems and promote a greater appreciation for nature.